Meaning of differential.
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 Differential. The term differential refers to the concept of change or variation between two or more things. In mathematics, it primarily relates to the calculation of rates of change, such as in differential calculus. The differential of a function is a measure of how rapidly the function changes at a particular point. In engineering, differentials are used in various applications, including gearboxes and steering systems to aid in smooth turning and adjust for differences in rotational speeds. Overall, the term differential encompasses the concept of differences or changes between two or more objects or values.